Hello everyone, it's me Aira and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do my unboxing for my Chanel handbag or my new handbag. For my previous vlog ata, kung saan na-receive ko yung package, hindi ko siya in-unbox kasi I want to do a separate videos on that, and that is today. And ito yung 21P collection ni Chanel, and I've never done this kind of unboxing kung saan in-unbox yung Chanel because my first Chanel was from Dubai and hindi ko siya nagawa ng unboxing because that was in my previous account or previous YouTube account. But then, sabi ko, sige, I'll do a version, my own version of doing my Chanel unboxing. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, this is the paper bag that I got from Chanel. Chanel, Arty Girl. Wait lang. Iusog natin siya para makita natin siya ganyan. Okay. So, this is the paper bag. So, with the ribbon itself. Yan. So, ribbon. And the box is here. Medyo mahirap siya i-unbox. So, this is the box. Ayan. Actually, nabuksan ko na siya nung dumating siya, and then inayos ko na lang ulit yung pagkaka-ribbon niya kasi gusto kong magawa ng unboxing sa inyo, okay? I have a table here. So, let's remove the camellia. Actually, alam nyo guys, gusto kong magkaroon ng unboxing na yung camellia niya ay dikit-dikit siya. Is may mga glitters. Ayan, ayan, box ko na siya kasi gusto ko na siyang gamitin. So, medyo mahirap siya. This box. There, yan. Gusto ko na siya ng konti. So, you get, bagba mo natin siya. You get the dust bag. Para malagay na rin siya sa dust bag niya. So, siguro alam niyo na kung ano yan. So, you have the receipt. I got this from Dubai also, from a personal shopper. And of course, the care card. Dito nakalagay yung kanyang, I think yung mga something niya. Ayan, meron siyang ganyan. So, open na natin siya. Sharon! It's a cocoa handle in the size small. So, there is actually, I've been planning to get the medium one. But, na-realize ko kasi that I have to use this on a special occasion. That's why I got the smaller version. Because the medium was a lot bigger. But actually, parang gusto ko nga talaga nung bigay kasi parang yun yung fit sa size ko. Pero, this is for a special occasion bag. So, this is how it looks like. It is in caramel color from 21P collections. And it's very popular. It's always sold out. And I'm very thankful that I got a chance to actually get them. And this is in a gold hardware or shining gold hardware, champagne gold hardware with a top handle. Yung handle niya, before kasi, exotic leather siya, pero ngayon hindi na siya exotic leather. So, it has a pocket at the back. And then, twist siya. Meron pa nga sticker. Tanggalin na natin yung sticker. Tanggalin yung sticker. Ayan, tanggal na siya. Meron pa siya dito yung sticker. Tanggalin na rin natin. Ayan, wala na. So, twist. Single flap only. And then that's the inside. This one is the strap. So, lalagyan natin yung strap niya. Meron pa siyang sticker. Tanggalin na natin yung mga sticker na yan. So, ayan. So, ayan yung strap niya. It has a 2 compartment inside. So, let's remove the stuffings. That's how it looks like. Inside, it's also leather. Kaya yung mga ganitong version, medyo mahal kasi yung loob niya leather. Ayan. And meron siyang zipper at the back. There you go. And of course, the authenticity card na 31 series. So, ayan. May zipper sa likod and this. So, that's how it looks like. Meron dito sa gitna. So, let's try the phone kung kasya yung aking phone. So, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So, ayun, kasyang-kasya siya, maluwag pa. And then, I have a card holder. So, ayan, maluwag pa siya, guys. Meron pwede pa isang cellphone dito, which I always do because I have 2 cellphones. And then, sa likod, meron pang kasya. So, maliit siya, pero small but terrible tong bag na to. You can use them as a top handle at the crook of your arms, pero hindi siya aabot dito. So, aabot naman, pero masikip siya. Kasi maliit nga lang to. Pang party-party lang. So, ayan siya, and then it has a strap. So, dito lang siya sa akin. Oh my God, it's so cute. Ang ganda niya, grabe guys. So very cute. So, close up look. So that is my Chanel Coco handle in the color caramel caviar leather with a champagne gold hardware. So I really like this bag, and to tell you honestly, I also wanted to get the medium size, pero soon. Not now, pero soon, I will get the medium size of this because I really love it. It's alternative for the classic double flap na grabe, 400,000 na yung presyo niya ngayon. But if you actually buy on a personal shopper, medyo mahal siya na around 30 to 40,000. But I think it's also mura na. Kasi kung travel ka pa, magkano pa yung pamasahe mo, magkano pa yung gagastusin mo pang hotel, magkano pa yung pangbabayad mo sa mga pamimiliin mo. So, parang okay na rin siya per se, pero to tell you honestly, I really love this bag. It's super cute. Ito yung gustong-gusto kong color. I actually plan on getting the yung kanyang double flap na classic. However, it's like around 400,000 pesos, and this time of pandemic, grabe, ang mahal-mahal na ngayon ng mga bilihin. Plus, na Chanel always increase their price twice a year. So, if you have the money na, go and grab yourself your Chanel. Kasi, habang tumatagal, sobrang nagmamahal siya. And, kung gusto mo ng mura, dun ka na lang makakabili sa mga vintage shop or mga pre-love. But, if you want to experience the Chanel experience of unboxing the new handbag, so get yourself your handbag now. Wag na next year, wag na next after 2 years, mag-ipon muna kung may pera, bilhin na. Kasi, grabe guys, pag tumagal to, hindi ko na siya ma-afford. Ang mahal-mahal na niya, promise. So, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you have any question, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!
Like a Hellcat.